Hello, Zombies fans! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge, try not to sing Zombies 4 edition. Can you keep quiet when the best songs come on? Let's get started. Round 1, try not to sing.
To the light side, it's better on the bright side. To the night side, the we'll be taking flight side. You know we're the most unforgettable you'll ever see. Whoa, what incredible. Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going down. Hey, come on in. If you watch your back, little monster got you right where we step right up. You're about to learn your lesson. Don't go messing with us. Don't.
All right then, it's time for a Would You Rather showdown. So, what's your pick? Place to be or don't mess with us? Both tracks are super cheerful, so yeah, this one's a tough call. If you vibe with Place to Be, hit that like.
To the light side, it's better on the bright side.
But if Don't Mess With Us is your jam, tap that sub.
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going down.
And hey, drop a comment to see how many people picked the same as you.
And we're from two worlds apart, but still there's a common thread in. We just met, you know me, I don't know it all just yet, but you've shown me. I'll lift you up if you trust.
Aw, perfect. Such a heartfelt moment. Third time again, jam out to the songs in Zombies 4 or keep the vibe going with the tracks from Zombies 3. If Zombies 4 has your heart, smash that like. But if you're loyal to Zombies 3, hit that sub. Oh, and drop a comment to see who's on your team. All right, back to our challenge. Can you guess? Oh, yep, that's Addison. You're totally in the zone.
Step up, gotta do better, keep my head up. No caving under pressure, gonna break the mold.
All right, time to figure this out. Which one's really Addison? Boom! That's her for sure. Sparkling and unmistakable. Let's shake things up. Something looks off here. Can you tell what? Nice one. You found the odd piece, eyes like a laser. All right, can you tell who? Yes. That's Victor.
My head.
And we're from two worlds apart, but still there's a common.
Zoom in on the face. Where are Victor's eyes looking? Boom! You got it. A is the right pick. Great spotting. Let's go again. Yes, that's Nova. You're crushing it today. Okay, battle of the vocals. Who's your pick? Addison or Nova? Vote time. Hit like if it's Addison and subscribe if you're Team Nova. Let's see which team wins in the comments. Keep going. Who is it now? Exactly. That's our guy Zed, Total Hero Vibes. What's missing here? Yup, you nailed it again. Perfect catch. Let's test again. Who's hiding behind this emojis? High five. That's Willa with that unstoppable energy.
Do you really want to fight each other over who's the best?
Take a second, recognize this character. Boom, that's Ray. Confident as ever, well spotted.
One status, those sneaky vamps are gonna learn. Try to come at us, you're gonna go.
Recognize who? Ha, yes. That was Vargas' chillest delivery ever.
Unless you're offering. Just kidding.
Who is it? That's Eliza, unmistakable and iconic.
Of you have more in common than you might have guessed.
Quick recap moment. What happened to Zed here? Correct. His red Z-band glitched. Spooky stuff going on. Time for a logo test. Pick the real Mighty Shrimp. Boom! Spot on, you picked the right one. Who's up next? It's winter. Good ear.
Necklaces and stay wolf strong for another 100 years. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we need your opinion. Which couple's your fave? Addison and Zed or Nova and Victor? Drop your ship below. We're all ears. Let's rate this dance move. How smooth was that?
Dark, be the brightest spark. The future's for the taking. We're all
Loved it? Tap like. Want more? Hit subscribe. Tell us your score in the comments. And last up, spot all three differences. Go, go, go. Woohoo! All 3 found. You've got superhero vision. Awesome job, Zombie Master. Did you pass the Try Not to Sing challenge? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and sub for more quiz fun. See you in the next mind-bending challenge. Bye.